Welcome to the project demonstration of solar powered battery management system along with IoT device controlling through the Blink application, and also we are going to monitor the temperature and solar voltage, current and battery voltage. So these four parameters continuously monitored on the Blink application and also ThinkSpeak. So the ThinkSpeak purpose is we can store the data for historical storage purpose, and also we can display that in graphical presentation, and also we can download that. So Blink application used for to control the devices like light and fan based on the alerts. Whenever the high temperature is detected, then the fan can be controlled by from this Blink application, and also we will get the alerts notification into the same app. So let me explain the power flow. So here the main system theme is we are going to charge this battery from the solar panel and also managing this battery. So the flow is 12 volts battery solar panel, 5 watts we are using. That voltage is given as input to this MOSFET circuit. So here the MOSFET circuit purpose is maximum power point tracking by controlling the voltage in order to get the maximum currents with maximum voltage. Parallelly we will get maximum power. So that will be controlled by our PIC microcontroller by continuously measuring the solar panel voltage along with current from this sensor. And also we are going to measuring the battery voltage. So after this MPPT circuit, the voltage is given to this rectifier circuit. So if is there any reverse connection, reverse polarity placed, then the rectifier circuit will rectify that and it will provide the same voltage to the battery. And the battery ratings are, we are using 12 volts 2 amps. So there are two battery packs. So each battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series, and these two are in parallel. So we will get 12 volts 2 amps. So continuously we are going to measure the same battery voltage also from this voltage sensor, and whenever the battery voltage is above 13.5 rated voltage maximum, then the system will indicate the battery is fully charged and it will isolate the charging circuit, charging power to the battery by isolating through the electromagnetic relay. And one more relay is to control the LEDs, and one transistor board to control the DC fan. And we are going to sending the same parameters data to the ThinkSpeak as well as Blink application simultaneously by making use of this ESP8266 module. And also we are going to display the same status on the 16:2 LCD screen. Okay, so here the main purpose is, as we explained, solar panel measuring the voltage and battery management with voltage set points. When it is below 11 volts, charger on; above 13.5, charger off, as well as while charging or discharging. So if is there any battery heat up, then that will be identified with help of this LM35 temperature sensor, and in that, so we will set the temperature for 50 degree Fahrenheit, 50 degree centigrade. Then the microcontroller will isolate the same charging voltage to the battery. So this is the main on off switch. So here we are providing one more alternate charger for the battery. So whenever the sunlight is not available, we can charge this battery from this transformer. So here we need to connect B to this B, and after that give the power supply to the transformer. So the transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and after this rectifier circuits we will get 12 volts DC power supply, and that particular 12 volts DC power supply through this capacitor pure DC that is given as input to our battery. So now I switch on the charger. So it will take at least of 8 to 10 hours to be fully charged, and after that time you can isolate the power supply for the transformer and you can disconnect the transformer, keep aside. Now this is our main project. So now the system is charging through the solar panel whenever we switch on the kit. So before switch on the kit, we need to do some initial steps. So install the Blink application and log into the Blink application with the given credentials, and log into the ThinkSpeak with the given credentials, and next go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to project 4861. So it's very important, project 4861 without any space, without any capital letter. Password 1 to 9 numbers. Check twice before switching on the hotspot. So after switching on the hotspot, enable the data. And now go to the blink application first. So we can see there is a red mark here, so it's indicated as the device is offline. So right, now switch on the power supply to the kit. So there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and solar panel voltage and current, B nothing but battery voltage, and temperature is 23.4 degrees centigrade. Right, and now we can see there is no red mark here. Now the device is online, so the continuously we are receiving the data. So whenever the high temperature is increased, due to the battery charging, overcharging or overload, then the temperature will be increased. When it crosses the 50 degrees centigrade, so we will get alerts in our blink application. So the alerts notifications are right. High temperature is here. Right, we got the high temperature alert notification. And so as of now the voltage is 12. So the charger will switch on whenever the voltage is below 11 volts. So to make it as below 11 volts, just I am disconnecting the battery from here. Right, now the charger is switched on. So we'll get the same notification of alert low battery voltage, and the charger is switched on. And when the battery's voltage is above 13.5, then only it will be isolated. And so we can control the lights. So right, if any malfunction is happened, then just restart the microcontroller. Right, switch on the LED through the relay, and switch on the fan, so the fan rotates. So here we can continuously streaming the voltage of solar panel and current and battery voltage and temperature. So this can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Right, and next this is all about the blink application. And next to go to ThinkSpeak. So right, so here we got the 4 parameters same. This is the solar voltage and solar current in milliamps, and next temperature in degrees centigrade and battery voltage. So in order to download this data, we can erase the old data. So before erasing that, go to data import and export, and there download the data. So you can open that, and it will open in CSV data file. So that we can see the date and time and how many number of parameters got entered, and the voltage, like so you see the field one is solar voltage and solar current, and next battery voltage and temperature. So after downloading the data, we can erase the old data to get the fresh data into ThinkSpeak. Now for that, go to channel settings, and here only do clear channel. So if you want to download that, go to download data import export and download the data, and come to channel settings and do clear channel, and after that go to private view. That's it. So here, right, now we are getting fresh data from the kit. Thank you.